Well, I'm 53 years old now, but 27 years ago, when I was 26, I developed depression, and I've been on medication ever since. Now, I've also developed binge eating disorder. I'm in a situation where I can't calm down if I don't eat. So, I'm receiving treatment from the excessive manager. First of all, as I said, I want to fly away. You two, what kind of impression do you have? I had no high expectations, but now I feel I can be free from pain. What questions do you have? I don't know. Let's walk to the camera. I felt like I might be released from all the pain I've been through. Yes. You know what I'm talking about on YouTube today.
What kind of tests or questions do you have? Honestly, I don't really know. Alright, then let's just walk normally towards the camera. Just normal. That's it, normal. If you're normally motivated, you'll be treated like a ghost. Yeah, it is kind of dark, right? Just walk slowly and normally towards the camera, like everyone's watching how you walk. Alright. Alright, now come back here. Just normally. Yeah. Now, both of you, let's walk slowly towards the camera together. Okay. Sagano-san, it's about change. It's about your own change. What's the difference between when you walk alone and when you hold hands? Both of you, right? All right then. How does it feel when you hold hands? It's nice, right? One is sinking while the other is floating. It's easy. Right. It feels a bit heavy. You both are doing it right. One is sinking while she's floating. She's been sinking for 35 years, you know. Now, when you hold hands, you can tell, right? Holding hands with someone floating feels normal, but with someone sinking, it gets heavy. When both of you hold hands, you feel normal, right? You guys have a good vibe together. I've been sinking since then, and now that we're holding hands, you can tell, right? When you hold hands with someone who's floating, it feels normal. But when you hold hands with someone who's sinking, it gets heavy. However, when both of you hold hands, you both feel normal. You guys have a good vibe together. You can find your balance slowly. Could you come over here and help me out? That's the kind of relationship it is. So this is going in. Anywhere is fine, but the kids are having a hard time watching, alone. Yeah, can you hand me the camera? Okay, how's it feel? It's becoming normal, right? This is how we make sinking feel normal. Wait, is that really a thing? The brain thinks the floor is actually 3 centimeters lower than it really is. And that's how we walk. Yeah, this is how it usually is. So the brain thinks that the floor is actually 3 centimeters lower than where your feet are touching right now. In reality, the actual floor is 3 centimeters higher than what you think it is. That's what's going on in your head right now. Is the real floor actually 3 centimeters higher? If you think that way, try walking like it's 3 centimeters higher. What do you think? How is it? Yes, thank you. I'm going to walk. The brain thinks the floor is 3 centimeters lower. So believe it's 3 centimeters higher. To live normally, this seed helps your brain adjust. Now, walk without thinking. How does it feel? It's good, right? Hospital medication can cause problems. Instead, you participated today. Realizing YouTube isn't enough. You're trying it and we'll discover more. How's it going? Yeah, that's how it is. This is good, right? You mentioned that you're feeling it. Well, it comes from there. If you go to the hospital and take medication, it can create other problems. So instead of doing that, you realized that just watching YouTube isn't enough. And that's why you participated today. You're trying it out for yourself. And as you keep experimenting, you'll discover more things. New ways of thinking will come up, so you'll come back here and ask for more wisdom. Thanks a lot. New ways of thinking will come up, so you'll come back here and ask for more wisdom. Thank you.